So guys, in this lecture, we are going to add some functionality with the variables and user input. So as we all know that we have created our simple script which simply echo message into the screen. So now let's learn how we can add more functionality to it. So first of all, we need to learn what is a variable. So a variable is an area of storage that can hold something inside memory. That something might be some letter or word or number. So it's known as variable because the value held within it is changeable. So this is an extremely useful feature for adding functionality to a script. So in our next script, we will add functionality to promote the user for their name and place where they input a variable. They simply input a value into the variable actually. Then promote the user for the next video they are at and in this particular section. Okay, so place that keyboard input into a variable. So after that we will echo a welcome message that include their name and the section back to the user. So guys, first of all we need to open our text editor in order to write this particular script. Now we are having this text editor. So as always, first of all, I'm going to write the script and then I will tell you what does each line means here. Okay, so this is our bash and then give some space and then write this as our second script. Okay, let me add here bash script so that it will be relatable. Okay, so bash script. Okay, then we can also add here like the user for input place the input in a variable and okay, then do it like this. Not now, simply at the end we can add here like okay, display the variable content in a string. Okay, then we will be adding here echo, simply asking for the name. Okay, then give some space here. What is your name? Simply give here what is your name. Now next thing that I'm going to do here is simply read name. It will read the name here and then again echo what section are you on in this course. Okay, simple. Now let's close this. Now simply next I will read the section. Is this clear? Now then simply echo the output and welcome and add here percentage name simply and then simply give here to section and dollar, simply add here section ethical hacking course. Now everything is looking fine. So now I think everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. So now let's understand what each line means here. Okay, so guys, we open with the hash mark and exclamation mark. As we all know that it is used to tell the system we want to use bash interpreter for this script. Okay, so we add a comment here. After this we add the comment here to describe the script and its functionality. After that we promote the user for their name and ask the interpreter to read the input and place it into a variable we call, which as you can see here. Then we promote the user to enter the section. Inside this particular thing, we promote the user to enter the section they are currently in. And after that we are simply displaying the information that we have here. Okay, we are displaying the information that we have here. So here one thing that you have noticed here, we are having here dollar signature. So what it will do, so guys, we add the variables where they should appear in the message, as you can see there. Okay, so to use the value contained inside these variables, you must proceed with this particular symbol, which is dollar. Now simply guys, you need to save this file. So in order to save this file, simply go to save and give here like welcome.sh. So as we all know that in the first we have not added sh, but it is not mandatory. You can add it, you can not add it, it's upon you. So I want to add it, so I have added .sh. Now hit enter. After hitting enter, everything is fine. Now let's open the terminal. Now after opening the terminal guys, first of all, always remember to give the permission, to take the permission, actually not give the, to take the permission. So for that, simply use shmod. Okay, before doing it, let's see we are having permission or not. So where is our script? Okay, we are having welcome sh. We don't have any permission guys. As you can see that we don't have any permission, so we need to take the permission. For that, simply clear the screen, and after clearing the screen, simply give chmod 755 and name. Now hit enter. Now let's check again, hit enter. Now guys, we are having the permission. As you can see that the color has been changed, which is now sky blue. Now clear, and in order to run this, as we all know that, use this particular thing and simply welcome.sh. Hit enter. What is the name? My name is like Devakar. Okay, Devakar. In which section currently you are in? I'm in 17th section. Now hit enter. Welcome Devakar to section 17 ethical hacking course. So this is what we have here. So guys, this is what we have, and it looks so soothing to the eyes when you get the output after writing the script. This is our second script. So this is all for this lecture.